Good morning, this is a short reading for this Sunday, a reading for all 12 zodiac signs. I'm using two decks. One is the illustrated Crystallary and one is the illustrated Bestiary. And this reading here is for Sagittarius. Welcome, Sagittarius. The illustrated Crystallary Oracle deck is a deck of magical gems and minerals. And your gem is Rhodonite. And the Rhodonite is about healing your heartbeat. When you are feeling calm and centered, your heart beats in an even rhythm. Listening to it becomes self-soothing, helping you remember your personal cadence. But when you are anxious, especially when you are perpetually anxious, your heart stutters and skips. Your own skittish heart sends you deeper into unease and into angst. But it's not your heart that is the problem. The problem lies deeper, rooted in the vulnerability that is causing your anxiety. So put your hand on your heart. Rhodonite instructs. Close your eyes and feel your heartbeat. Once you are in sync with yourself, ask your heart what is feeding its anxiety. And to heal your heart, you first need to find out what way you feel vulnerable in this world. It is time for this first step. And the illustrated Bestiary Oracle deck is a deck of inspiring animals. And out for you came the Pileated Woodpecker. And the Pileated Woodpecker drums with abundance, saying, "Free your inner fire." The woodpecker taps on trees, rain gutters, and garbage cans, and his noise is a gift from the gods of storms and of thunder. Can you give yourself over to this type of passion, is the question. Can you dance the primal rhythm that calls the rain? Our critical minds often get in the way of our creativity and joy. A big part of your brain's job is to keep you safe, and giving in to passion can be dangerous. But a woodpecker has a secret. He wraps his very long tongue around his brain to protect it from his concussive rhythm. The woodpecker is calling you to get in sync, to move and dance, and to drum. How can you free your inner fire? Woodpecker is asking. That was your reading, Sagittarius. Thanks for listening. Wishing you a wonderful Sunday. I shall be back tomorrow with my usual shaman oracle readings, and maybe you come to visit. Take care and goodbye.